When it comes to sheet metal, SOLIDWORKS 2011 has a few great enhancements that'll hopefully really surprise you. You'll notice that this edge flange on our part happens to have a custom profile. In SOLIDWORKS 2011, we can now overcome any challenges that come with patterning edge flanges with custom profiles. You'll notice that just like any other pattern, it's now fully supported. You can see here that it supports not only the features but the individual unique bends themselves. The same holds true to creating mirror patterns as well. So if we were to choose even those pattern features, we can see that SOLIDWORKS is able to mirror those over to the other side, and like the linear pattern, contains the individual bends as well. If we wanted to unfold our part right here, we can see that SOLIDWORKS provides another new unique feature, and that's the blank sketch. You can see here that we've created a sketch that represents the blank pattern size of our part. This is available in the drawing and helps in costing out your designs. If I select the edge of this blank, we'll notice down here in the lower right hand corner that it contains a length of approximately 191 millimeters. If we go ahead and refold that, let's take a look at what causes that. We have two bends on our part, one overbend and one underbend. And though K-factor is great at getting a close approximation of what we want these bends to be, sometimes it's just not enough. SOLIDWORKS has always had rich solutions for accommodating this. K-factor, as we just mentioned, full bend tables, and bend allowance and bend deduction. These tools, though great, take a lot of time to set up. SOLIDWORKS 2011 incorporates something completely new called a bend calculation. Let's take a look at it. Bend calculation is stored in an Excel table just like most of the other bend tables inside of SOLIDWORKS, but what makes this unique is it's able to use formulas. Not just static formulas, but dynamically changing formulas based on the window of the angle of the bend. So in this case, you can see that we support unique calculations from 0 to 90 degrees, 90 degrees to 165 degrees, and 165 to 180 degrees. Beyond that, they do resort to a common K-factor. When we go ahead and accept that change, we'll see that our model reappears on the screen. We see the update of the table, and as we flatten it this time, we can select that edge and see that it has made a significant difference to the overall blank size of this part. Now it is at approximately 190 millimeters. So hopefully these sheet metal features help you create more accurate and more diverse sheet metal parts than you've ever been able to do in the past.